So we are here. We are going to make ceviche today because it's Cinco de Mayo. So I am going to make ceviche because I have to attend one of my cousins' festivities today. So I'm going to make ceviche. So what I've done is I've washed all the vegetables that we're going to be needing. So we have tomatoes, some cilantro, chiles. Cut these up. I just like to cut these up in cube style, just like this. Put this on this side. Once again, it's just your preference. I like more tomatoes than I do onions. That is my preference. To each their own. If someone doesn't like that many tomatoes but maybe likes more onions, then add more onions to it. Now this is a white onion. I also do like yellow onion. So I will add a mixture of a white onion and a yellow onion. What are you doing, sugar? Getting ready for the party, getting yourself situated. My husband, he's the best. There it is. See, this is the way I like it. Not a lot of onions, but just more tomatoes. But like I said, if you want to add more onions, add more onions. But this is the way I like it. All right, so next what I'm going to do is I'm going to add this cilantro in it. People sometimes use the stem. I don't like to use the stem. So this is the part I don't use. I'll cut the end off and then I'll go through here. And even if I get a little bit of the stem, it's not a problem. But I try really hard not to get the stem. See how easy it is just to peel it away from the stem? Just like that. Always remember this is going to go on a taco, on some chips when you're dipping that in there. So you want to cut it up just a little bit. There we go. See, it just kind of looks like that. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. Just by adding some cilantro. So here we go. I've added some cilantro in that. I'm going to add some more. I think that's probably enough. See, there you have it. Got some greenery there. Looks really good. It smells great.
Yeah, the smell fills up the whole house.
Yeah, it smells really good.
It's amazing. Especially when you grow the vegetables out of your own garden.
Oh yeah, definitely. Once that garden starts, that's going to be amazing. Even my fingertips feel like they're on fire.
It looks like you've been picking up coal.
No, they feel like they're a little bit on fire. This is a really spicy, hot. This is great. So just squeeze this right in here. There we go. Look at that. Looks so good. I just got some imitation crab meat. You can get real crab meat if you want to. But you know what? To me, this tastes just as good. Well, actually, I shouldn't say just as good because crab meat's a lot better. But you know what? It tastes good enough. To me. So I just cut these and just like this. And once again, it's your preference on how much of crab meat that you want to put in your dish. I'm going to put the whole package in there. And just make sure it's finely cut up. Just a little reminder, once again, this is going to go on some chips. This is going to be in a taco. So just take that into consideration. You know, you want these as finely cut up as you think that a chip would be able to go on it. So see how it's finely chopped up? This is perfect. This is exactly what you want. Put that in here. So this is imitation crab meat. When you put everything together, to me, there's so much other flavors in this dish that imitation crab meat, I like the way it tastes. Of course, if you want to buy crab meat, you can definitely buy real crab meat and put it in there. It does taste different. It tastes better. But to me, it's okay today. Do you have the giggles? My husband has the giggles right now. Come on. All right. Well, I finished chopping up all the crab meat. Oh my goodness, this looks fantastic. Look at that. It looks so good. All right. I might just add another lime in here. Now the other thing is we talked about, I was letting these are frozen. These are extra small shrimp. They're still a little bit frozen, but they're getting there. See how you can see the ice still a little bit on there? Yeah, they're getting there. So I'm just going to put these right in there. These will be great. Just like that. Put an ice cube up in there. Oh, that water's cold.
It's like the Alaskan shoreline.
All right. Let me drain some of this water out of these real quick. All right, so I drained out the water. It makes it much easier because they were freezing. All right, here we go. All right. Looking at my shrimp and being choosy which ones I don't like. Here you go. Here you have it. It's getting there. It's coming along. Looks so good. So healthy for you. This is really healthy for you.
You eat it with nachos, the tortilla
Mix it with
chips.
the tortilla chips.
You can eat it with whatever you want.
Well, yeah, I usually have it in tacos or
It's so
tortilla
good.
chips.
Then nice.
And I always like to put avocados. Now, this is not everybody's favorite, is avocados in theirs. But like I said, I'm going to make it to my liking, not to everybody else's liking. So what I'm going to do here, just put this right in here. Sliced it up already. Made it in little cubes. You know, to me, and avocados are hard to know which ones are good. You know, when I go to the grocery store, they tell me, oh, you know, if this little part of it just falls right off, it's good. Well, look, I'm trying to push it off. It doesn't work. If you squeeze them and they're soft, they're good. No, that's not right either. I think picking an avocado is almost like gambling. You're just not sure if it's going to be good or not.
I don't think that's gambling.
It's kind of like gambling. You're not sure if it's going to come out good. You're not sure if you're going to win.
Unless it's your birthday and you turn 21, then you're lucky.
Oh my goodness.
Man, that's awesome.
So I'm going to add 3 avocados in here. Oh, I got another good one. Yay. So what I do is I just slice it just like that all the way down at the bottom. So it's in little cubes there. And I just, this is why I said I use this knife for everything. This is a Cutco knife and I love this knife.
They were at the gun show last month.
Yeah, they were. Trying to sell me some, and I already have some.
We need to get a nice little sharper knife.
No, these are guaranteed to always be sharp.
Yeah.
So if they aren't sharp, you just send them back to the manufacturer, and they'll send you a whole new set.
Well, look at that. We might need to talk to you. What is this brand again called?
It's Cutco.
Cutco.
Yeah.
So Cutco, we will be in touch because we need some razor sharp ones.
No, I use this style knife for everything. I like this size. I just love this size.
For all the viewers out there.
Oh my goodness, I might just leave it to 2 avocados because it made a lot of avocados there. This bowl, look at how nice this looks.
Hold on. Let's see what we got.
So we put all the ingredients in. We need to put a little bit of salt in here. You know, I would say, once again, this is another thing where it's your preference to how much salt. I like a lot of salt. I have to be careful because my husband does not like salt. I'm going to put a little bit of garlic in there. Some garlic powder.
I like a little salt.
Yeah, you're not a salty person like I am. I like
just
a
enough
lot of
salt.
I'm going to add another lime to this. Hi, hon.
Hello.
It looks like you're super hungry. Can you hand me those chips that are over there? We're going to try it real quick. Thank you.
Un momento, por favor.
What a great assistant. You are an amazing
We
assistant.
have here Juanitas, tortilla chips, rotten pasta, and butter.
Let's see how it tastes. Let's see. Let's see how
The
it
camera
tastes.
crew is hungry.
My husband doesn't like avocados, but you know what? Once again, I make it to my liking, nobody else's liking.
Yeah.
Well, here you go. See how great that looks?
Let's see how it tastes with some Keystone.
You silly guy, you want one?
Excuse me. Yes,
Yeah.
I do. I might want more than one.
See if it needs. Well, see if it needs more.
It's got some little bit of
See if
shrimp.
it needs more
crab.
salt. Okay, you did something really wrong. You don't eat your chip and go like this. What the fuck, Angel? Yeah, you're gonna have. Well, there you have it. Some ceviche. Ready to go to a festivity this evening to my cousin's house. There we go. This is how it looks. Let's do a little close up on that. Looks really good. Tastes really good. Well, there you have it. This is called ceviche, and I love avocados. Tastes really good. Thank you once again. Please subscribe to my channel. More cooking videos to come your way. Thank you.